Hey guys, it's Shayon Okimi and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very exciting video because I'll be showing you guys this hair that is basically synthetic hair that has been engineered to act like human hair. Like, I've literally never heard of anything like it. So I'm excited to show you guys what it does. And so this is how the hair looked installed. I installed it a few weeks ago. You can check out my install video here. And now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like a few weeks later. And I'm going to get into show you guys, does this synthetic hair actually act like human hair? How the curls react to water, how it straightens, how it flat irons, and let's see together how this synthetic hair performs and if it's actually like a replica of human hair. Okay. So hey guys, I've had this hair in for like 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks now, and I wanted to give you guys an update on what it's looking like for maintenance of this hair. I've literally done absolutely nothing. I haven't been sleeping in a bonnet. I don't do anything in the morning, and that was on purpose because I wanted to see what this hair would look like after a while of just doing absolutely nothing to like refresh and revive it every morning. And this is what it looks like with absolutely zero maintenance. So it still looks pretty good, but there is quite a bit of like matting happening. If you like get in closer, so you can see right there, there's matting, especially at like the back, the nape of my neck where it rubs against the back of my head. I want to see if I can get this hair wet and like revive it, if I can get it looking like new and close to how it looked whenever I first installed it. I'm gonna do that right now, and then afterwards flat iron it and then curl it to see how this hair takes heat. I'm gonna treat it like human hair. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, this hair is literally dripping wet. The curls are definitely there, very beachy. The texture feels mushy. It doesn't feel like regular hair. I'm just going to dry this a little bit more with my towel. Light finger combing is what I'm doing right now. You can see there's still the matted sections in there. This is just conditioner, Shea Moisture. I'll put a link to it down below. And I'm just going to, wow, conditioner in this hair. It adds so much slip. Wow. And I didn't put any conditioner beforehand. I'm trying not to stretch it too much. I feel like as I'm stretching it, the curl pattern is kind of going away. Now that I'm running my fingers through it, I am getting shedding. Synthetic hair could never beforehand. Technology. And the hair is starting to feel like normal again. It doesn't feel as mushy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wait it out and let it air dry. The curls definitely elongated. I really like this texture. I'll go ahead and flat iron it for you guys. So first I'm just gonna comb it out. This is my first time taking a comb through this hair. I literally only ever use my fingers. Okay, so now I'm noticing I'm seeing more resistance. You can see how much shedding I'm getting. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron. Okay, I'm impressed. Okay, yeah, it's bone straight and it's so full. I've had this hair for almost 3 weeks, guys. The flowiness, I cannot get over this. Synthetic wear. And I am getting more shedding. Okay, so now that you see how it looks like this, I'm now going to curl it and see how this hair looks curled. There we go. Okay, that curls really well, actually. And the heat is on 350. Wow. Synthetic wear. It does feel a little bit rough. It was like hair that's gotten older, and it didn't feel like that like 30 minutes ago, but flat ironed beautifully, curled beautifully. As far as, okay, so at the beginning whenever I first got the hair felt like really good, normal, felt like human hair, not too much shedding. I didn't get any shedding during while I had it in because I just didn't comb it at all. You saw the shedding that I got just now in me styling my hair and everything. I got quite a bit of shed. Whenever I would just wash it, whenever it was dripping wet, it felt really mushy and kind of weird, but it still looked normal. Whenever it was dry, it felt normal. As I was brushing it out, it felt super soft. As I flat ironed it, it still felt really soft, very flowy. And then I noticed that the ends were starting to feel rough, like old hair essentially. And then now that I have curled it, it feels rough and a little bit resistant taking my fingers through it. So let me actually try putting an oil in it. Good Oil of Morocco by OGX. Yeah, that did it. My fingers are flowing through it. It reacts to the same human hair products in the same way. The ends feel a little bit rough still. Pleasantly surprised by how well this went. Comment down below if you also think this is interesting, if you might try it. The link is down below. There's also a coupon code to get a certain percentage off, a discount, if you're interested in getting this hair. But yeah, this was really fun. I enjoyed trying out this hair. I hope this video covered everything you would want to know about this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Bye.